Ladies, let's be honest, when it comes to love and attraction, playing hard to get isn't just a cliche, it's psychology. There's a fine art to ignoring a man just right so that he feels the irresistible urge to chase you. But here's the thing, it's not about being cold or rude. It's about showing your value, setting your boundaries, and mastering the subtle dance of attraction. In this video, we're going to break down easy yet powerful ways to ignore a man in a way that makes him crave your attention. These aren't manipulative tricks, they're confident behaviors that naturally draw men in and flip the dynamic, so you're the prize. Let's dive into the 8 game-changing methods that will make him chase you. No games, just smart feminine energy. 1. Don't be available all the time. One of the easiest ways to get a man to pursue you is by not always being available. When a man feels like he can reach you at any time, there's no mystery, no tension, and no incentive for him to make the first move. Availability kills pursuit. Here's how to shift the dynamic. Don't respond instantly to texts. Space out your replies, especially if he's not investing effort. Politely decline plans if you're genuinely busy, even if it's tempting to say yes. Psychological insight. Humans value things that are scarce. The harder he has to work to get your time, the more he'll value it. You want him thinking, what is she up to? Instead of she's always there. 2. Don't overshare emotionally. Men are wired for challenge. If you open up too fast, too soon, he has no mystery to unravel. Emotional boundaries signal strength, and strength is seductive. What you can do, answer his questions without diving into your life story. Hold back from emotionally venting in early stages. Let him earn your trust. Psychological insight. Emotional unavailability in small doses keeps his interest burning. It makes him curious and eager to know more on your terms. 3. Have a life he can't penetrate easily. Want him to pursue you? Then give him the gift of curiosity. Have hobbies. Pursue your goals. Create a life so full that he feels lucky just to be a part of it. Here's how. Don't cancel plans just because he texts. Share subtle glimpses of your passions and let him see your world is rich. Stay focused on your dreams. Don't abandon them for attention. Psychological insight. Men are drawn to women who seem just slightly out of reach. He'll want to crack your code, to be the man who fits into your already fulfilling life. 4. Set boundaries without guilt. Confidence is magnetic, and setting boundaries is one of the most attractive things a woman can do. If a man crosses a line and you don't react, he assumes he can keep doing it. But when you calmly assert your limits, you signal self-worth. Ways to show it. If he only calls late at night, don't answer. If he doesn't plan a proper date, don't accept last-minute meetups. If he disrespects your time, let him know once and then back away. Psychological insight. A man will respect the woman who respects herself. And respect is a gateway to obsession. 5. Use silence as a power move. Sometimes, silence speaks louder than words. Whether it's a delay in texting back or choosing not to respond to mixed signals, silence forces a man to think. It makes him analyze, and it makes him miss you. Here's when silence works. After a fight or disagreement, when he starts pulling away, when he takes you for granted. Psychological insight. Silence creates a gap, and in that gap, desire grows. If he's truly into you, he'll fill that silence by chasing you. 6. Mirror his energy. Ignoring a man doesn't mean ghosting him. It's about balance. Mirroring his energy is a subtle but powerful technique. If he sends short replies, you do the same. If he takes hours to respond, you do too. How it works. Don't go overboard with affection if he's giving you breadcrumbs. Let him initiate plans. Match his level of effort, not his potential. Psychological insight. Mirroring keeps you from overinvesting, and it makes him wonder why you're not trying harder. That curiosity becomes the seed of attraction. 7. Show that you're wanted by others. Here's a secret. Men are biologically wired to compete. If he thinks he's the only one vying for your attention, he might slack. But if he senses you're desired, it lights a fire under him. Subtle ways to show this. Mention your busy schedule with friends. Post confident, happy pics with others. Talk about your goals, not your feelings. Psychological insight. Pre-selection triggers pursuit. When a man sees other people value you, it validates his interest and makes him want you more. 8. Keep your feminine mystery alive. Feminine energy is nurturing, but also deeply mysterious. A woman who radiates softness and mystery is irresistible. So, don't lay all your cards on the table. Keep them guessing. Ways to radiate mystery. Speak with intentional pauses. Leave conversations when they peak. Always leave them wanting more. Don't explain everything. Be intriguing. Psychological insight. Mystery triggers the male brain's problem-solving instinct. He'll keep coming back, trying to figure you out. 9. Let him initiate after you pull back. Here's where the magic happens. After you've done all the above, take a step back. Let him feel your absence. If he misses you, if he values you, he'll come to you. This is the final test of his desire. Vertical traffic light, what to do. Don't double text. Don't ask what's wrong. Wait and watch what he does. Pushpin's psychological insight. When a man misses you and chooses to close that gap without prompting, that's real pursuit. That's when the chase becomes meaningful. Ladies, ignoring a man isn't about playing games. It's about embracing your worth. It's about sending a silent but powerful message. I don't need to chase. I attract. So remember, be unavailable sometimes. Be mysterious. Have a life that's full. Let him come to you. Sparkles because when you master the art of selective attention, the right man won't just notice you. He'll chase you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this reminder. You're not too much. You're just enough for the right man.